morning. Let's go, man.
Armageddon, Second Coming was in the building. We was here. We was ready for it. We started getting prepared for it. I had a hat move. I felt like it was just going to end careers. It got a lot of crowd. I got off though, man. Lil Reeb got off, and I prepared, man. We got prepared. We just did what we had to do and labbed up really dope. Got off really dope.
That'll get me real high, so we're side to side when we're both in the sky.
Both in the sky?
Over the sand. We can go far with our love and our plan. And you can go far with me as your man, and I can go far with your heart in my hand. And you a good girl, and you know how to act, and you know how to make my love react. I still gotta know, do you got my back, and will you bail me out of jail cause I murdered this track? Girl, no lie, you're so fly. I'm a little shy, yeah, you're kinda guy. Just breathe for me, man, just breathe for me. Just breathe for me, mommy, just breathe for me, mommy. I'm a little shy, I'm known as the best. You can take a rest cause you're running out of breath. Just breathe for me, mommy, just breathe for me. Just breathe for me, mommy, just breathe for me, mommy. Girl, no lie, you're so fly.
I'm a rich kid, cause I'm a rich kid. Okay, yes, I'm an R-I-C-H-K-I-D. That's a rich kid, I am who I say I be. I am the freshest kid on your block ×3. How do I do it? Sheesh, I'm me. I've been this hot since the tape deck. I take cash, I take credit, I take checks. I got strong pockets, baby, I straight flex. One objective when I get dressed to break necks. So you know I got to, my fit's non-stopper, my whip game proper. Simply put, I'm the game's popper. Fire isn't my friend, man, not even the flames hotter. 3-point shot into the game, gotcha. So unfair, it's not even. This is just the beginning, I need to stop teasing. Every day is my day, so it's my season. And money ain't the motivation, but it is the reason. Yes, I got my Diddy Bobby rolling, my swag on 10. My money don't fold, my cash don't bend. Got my Diddy Bobby rolling, my swag on 10. My money don't fold, my cash don't bend. I'm a rich kid, I'm a rich kid. I'm a rich kid, I'm a rich kid. I'm a rich kid, I'm a rich kid. Cause I'm a rich kid, I'm a rich kid. Plus she likes how my chain drags over my feet. I got whips, got kicks, got fits, got chicks, got chips, got hits, and a little bit of Chris in my system. The price tag is back with fresh kicks on my feet, a swag to match. So what it is, what it do, what it look like. You see it done in your face if you look right. I walk past and make all the chicks look twice and have them come approach me. I see you dropping low, but I want you to pick it up. You feeling what I'm saying? Maybe we can live it up. So if you put your number in my phone, hit me up later on. Come meet me at my home so we could get it on. Cause I'm grown, get grown. 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 Yes, I'm good looking in the face, cold hearted with the crease. Got steez, fresh jeans, Ed Hardy's on the feet. Look at me, yo Gunna, you probably wanna be. Make way for the chicks that's partying with the misfits. Y'all see we step up in the club and we get chicks. Y'all see us rolling on dubs cause we sit with green and we sit with cash. We sit on stacks, so get off our swag. I start gigging in the club, y'all know that she's on my face. I got diamonds like Sierra Leone. Now places where we at, believe that she's on me, basically cause I'm grown. I see you dropping low, but I want you to pick it up. You digging what I'm saying? Maybe we can live it up. So if you put your number in my phone, hit me up later on. Come meet me at my home so we could get it on. Cause I'm grown, grown.